UV curing machine with conveyor belt for flex cable and PCB. Experience precision curing with high LED UV conveyor, designed for triple defense paint curing on flex cable and PCB. Versatile UV LED plus mercury lamp combo caters to diverse glue and coating curing needs, offering individual lamp control. Efficient discharge facilitated by wide opening and ample conveyor belt capacity. Simplify operation with intuitive HMI interface and track production records effortlessly. Benefit from rapid, uniform curing with 365 North M, 395 N MLED, and mercury lamp solution, ensuring impeccable surface drying without yellowing. Please contact Highlight D.